Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today's video is going to feature a variety of short hairstyles, haircuts, and hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of changing up your hairstyle, this video is for you. Gorgeous mid-length haircuts with the first transformation, followed by this stunning bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. The stylist did some gorgeous face framing highlights. And then we have this pixie haircut transformation. The stylist is going to be doing more of that pixie undercut style for this one. So there is the before, and there is the after. Absolutely stunning. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So for the next hairstyle, we do see another bob haircut transformation. Followed by a hair color transformation. Absolutely gorgeous color. The stylist did a tassel bob hairstyle. Another very hot hair trend that we'll be seeing in 2023. Followed by this exaggerated inverted bob haircut. Next up, we see a variety of pixie haircuts. I love the variety of different colors within these pixie styles. This copper one is absolutely gorgeous. And then we see a bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous classic all black bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous copper colored hair. That color looks like it was made for her. Then we have another beautiful classic cascading bob. This one is also all black, followed by this extremely exaggerated bob haircuts. Gorgeous asymmetrical bob. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.